Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a sticker on WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to create your own sticker on WhatsApp, so let's see how can you easily do that. First of all, you just have to open up your app store and here go for search, and you have to simply search for WhatsApp. Once you have searched, you have to make sure that you haven't any update available of your WhatsApp, or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your app. And once you have updated, you just have to open up your WhatsApp, and here open the specific chat in which you want to send sticker, and here you will get the sticker option. Simply select that, and here you will get the create option, so tap on it, and you just have to select the photo which you want to send as sticker. For example, I'm going to send this one. Simply select that, and once you have selected, you can easily edit it from here. You can write anything on it, or you can easily add something else. You can add more stickers into your sticker. So as you can see, I have created a sticker. So now once you have done, you have to tap on the send option in the bottom right corner, and it will automatically send. So in this way, you can easily create a sticker on your WhatsApp on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.